Hey guys, what's up? It's Deanna of the Pretty Girls Guide, and today we are going over my skincare routine. You guys have asked me a lot about my skincare routine. I guess you guys think I have pretty nice skin. Thanks, girl. And so today we are going to go over what it is. So today we're going to go over what it is that I use on my skin and how I use it, where you can get it and all that. But to avoid this video being long and me having to edit forever, let's get started. First thing first that your girl uses is this Bliss Fab Foaming 2-in-1 Cleanser with exfoliator. With exfoliator? Your girl can't read. 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator with bamboo buffers. So this is what I use. Sounds really expensive, but I got it from Target, not even Sephora or any of that other crazy stuff. So normally what I'll do is I'll use this along with my Clarisonic. That's how I start my skincare routine. And we're gonna go ahead and do some movie magic. Make sure you get around that nose, girl. Don't have no dirt chilling around that nose. Get some breakouts. It's not cute. Whatever you do to your face, remember to do to your neck. I'm saving on time, so don't think I have a dirty neck. So you want to make sure you wash all of that off. I will actually use a wipe. And I use the Olay cleansing wipe. Go through and make sure you get any little cracks and crevices that you missed on the rinsing. Ooh, look at that clean skin, girl. Don't look at the edges. They not clean, but the skin is. Next step, I use the Bliss in the Honey Mega Moisturizing Lavender Honey Mask. And I also got this from Target. As you can see, a girl knows how to save a coin. So this mask is more of a jelly consistency, and you're just gonna wanna smooth that onto your skin. Get it all over to get some intense hydration, girl. There you go. Glistened. Looking like a pot of honey, pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. While I'm luxuriating in my mask, I also put on the Patchology Under Eye Restoring Night Gels. These things, absolutely love them. You can use them at night. You can use them during the day. It just depends on, when you got the time. And I have the time now. And you were supposed to leave these under eye gels on for about 5 minutes.
Under your eye. Woo! They're so cool. Like, cool lady. I have to say that everything is harder to do with these nails. I feel like I was about to poke holes in these, but your girl got them. Woo! There we go.
Yes! Looking like a Oompa Loompa with under eye gels. So basically, you sit with this for about 5 to 10 minutes and you're good. So now you're ready to take off your, oh goodness, eye gels. And to clean off the rest of your mask. Okay, so now your skin is exfoliated, your under eyes are rejuvenated, your skin is moisturized from the mask. What you want to do is lock in all that moisture. I either use the Bliss Drenched and Quenched Cream to Water Hydrator for all day moisture. Yes, I got a travel size because it was less expensive. Or the Origins 3-part Harmony Tri-Phase Essence Lotion for renewal, repair, and radiance. Today, I am going to use the Bliss because that's the most products I've been using today. And no, this video isn't sponsored by Bliss, but a Bliss. I'll let you girl. So get a little bit of that, put it on your hands. And this smells good. Make sure you get around that nose. You get a lot of like dry, dead skin around here. That's why I've told you guys to like make sure you get in there so you don't have the dry, dead skin or like acne buildup. all across and kind of give yourself a nice little facial massage. Try to pull upwards on your skin and not down. Your skin is already pulled down by gravity. Don't help gravity. Whew. And that is the end of my skincare routine. As you can see, I am glowing, I am clean, I am glistening. The skin looks popping, darling. So there you go. For everybody who has wondered what my skincare routine is, ta-da! There we go. Until next time, guys, peace.